2025 Honda CR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.